Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to get free Robux through Google Opinion rewards. It is much easier when you use Android, so you just simply get your money on your Google account, then go to Roblox, then click on get Robux and choose how much you need, then pay through your Google account. If you use iPhone, just you have to wait until your payout minimum is $2. So I have 51 cents. Still need $1.45 until your next payout, until my next payout. Then I get my money on PayPal. So then I can pay for Robux using my PayPal debit card or just PayPal account or Apple Pay. So hope you guys enjoy. For all time I get $11.30, 59 surveys completed, 5 payouts and 4 receipt tasks. Hope you guys enjoy, and thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.